Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by cutting power and confirming it's off. This is non-negotiable. Use a non-contact tester, then lock or tag the breaker. Next, expose the switch box and photograph existing connections so you remember which conductor is which. Identify line, hot, and load conductors, plus neutral and ground, label them with tape. Once labeled, strip fresh insulation, 1/2 inch, where needed and prepare your daylight switch. Match its labeled terminals to your identified wires before making any connection. Now you wire the switch. Connect the switch's line terminal to the hot feed, either under its screw or into the provided push-in, make the connection firm. Then attach the switch load terminal to the fixture lead, twisting and securing with the correct size wire nut. If the device requires neutral, tie its neutral into the neutral bundle. Otherwise, leave neutrals undisturbed. Finally, bond the ground to the switch's green screw and to the metal box, ensuring continuity and safety before proceeding. Tuck wires neatly, secure the switch to the box, and reinstall the cover. Restore power at the breaker, then test. The daylight sensor should keep lights off in bright conditions and allow them on as it darkens. If results seem off, adjust sensitivity or delay settings per the updated manual. Should the switch not function, turn power off again and recheck line and load with a voltmeter for proper voltage, and confirm the ground and neutral connections. This single check fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.